Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have freshers opening for any graduate, any batch criteria. So, we'll be discussing every details which you're eagerly looking for. So, before that, if you're very new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and activating the bell icon as well to get the notifications at the right time. Okay, so let me start with the first one is Deloitte. So, Deloitte is hiring for the analyst role, okay, that is customer support analyst, and this is applicable for the freshers. Okay, so you can see here qualification criteria, there is a bunch of things that they have mentioned. So moving on to that, any graduate is completely fine. Any graduate 0 to 1 years of experience can apply. Excellent customer service, phone chat or emails, excellent spoken English language proficiency, then MS Office knowledge, service now experience preferred. Okay, that is, if you have that, well and good. If not, also it's fine. Exposure to application support, ITIL framework, etc. Excellent written and verbal skills, customer service experience, 24 into 7 working. Okay, that's what they want. So any of the graduates can apply, no issues in that. We can see the ideal candidate must be available 24 into 7. Like rotations may change every month, and the rotations, I mean the shifts are 5:30 to 2:30, 2 to 11 p.m. night, and 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning. So this is the shift basis. So if you are okay, if you are comfortable working in any of the shift, because according to the business requirement or according to the, I mean, your team, you may fall under any of these shifts. So if you are ready for that, then you can definitely apply to this. Okay, so this is the requirement. So this criteria is pretty much easily satisfiable for everyone. Like it's any graduate, 0 to 1 years of people can apply. And if you're okay with the shifts, then done, you can apply. Okay, so that's it. And you can see here what you will do. That's important because that's the important roles that you'll be doing once you get into this role. So if you're comfortable with that only, there's a point in applying. Okay. Now, customer handling skills is required, end-to-end ticket management, basic ITIL concepts of incident, problem, and change management is must, experience in managing voice and non-voice support, adhering to SLAs like response time of an email and chat. Then you can see, you can go through that. Everything that you will be performing there professionally is mentioned here. So basically, in general, the qualification or eligibility criteria is you can be any graduate, 0 to 1 year of experience people can apply, no batch specification, so any passed out batches can apply. And you must be having a fair good knowledge about Microsoft products like Office and all. So that's what they just want you to have. So mostly all of you can apply. Okay, so you can click on to this apply now button and continue with the application process. So you need to log into Deloitte career section. So if you're already having a profile, make the necessary changes and apply. Else you can start with a fresh new one. Okay. So create a profile. This is how you start. You can give your personal information, your education details. In case if you have work experience, you can give that. Else you can skip it because this opening is for 0 to 1 years of experience criteria. And then you need to upload your resume. So all these kind of things are to be given. After that you complete your application. Okay, so this is how you apply to Deloitte. And being an analyst, support analyst at Deloitte, the starting CTC can be somewhere around 4 plus LPs. It's an average estimation, so you can get somewhere around that according to the team or according to where you get into. Okay, so I hope this details is pretty much clear. Now let's move on to the other one, which is available at Accenture. So Accenture is also hiring IT help desk and associate. Okay, so that was customer support for Deloitte, and here it is IT help desk associate. So here also any graduate, any batches can apply. Okay, location is Hyderabad, any graduation or BE. Okay, now years of experience, 0 to 1 years of experience, and yeah, that's all. No batch criteria, anything. And about the rotational shifts, yes, you do have rotational shifts as well. So it's very common in corporate. You can be put into night shift, you can be put into day shift. That's very common. So this is the details regarding Accenture opening. So here also IT helped us people gets CTC around 3.5 plus LP is greater than that, around that. Okay. So that also differ accordingly. So here both the openings that I've presented today is completely for any graduate and any batch criteria. So there is no much technical expertise or technical knowledge or so much of certification course to be done. Anyone can apply to it. So it's a very good opportunity for anyone who's looking into jobs. You will be benefited out of this. So don't forget to apply it as soon as you watch this video. Also share this video among your friends who is actively seeking into job. Okay, and compel them to apply to the earliest. Try applying to many of them. Lakhs of people are applying to that. So one day you will be getting into. Okay. So I hope all the details are pretty much clear to you. In case if you have any doubts regarding anything that I've mentioned apart from the things that I've shared in this video, let me know that in the comment section. I'll try to respond to you, or I'll try to give the information as much as I can. Okay. And also if you have any concerns regarding your placement requirement, anything, your aptitude requirement, your courses, anything, you can put that in the comment section or you can mail to us. We'll definitely try to reach out to you and bring it to, provide you with what you actually require. Okay. So I hope everything is clear and you'll be applying to it at the earliest. So until I be back again with another hiring, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.